That's right. Shh. Quiet on the set. Ready? Here we go.
How does it start?
What?
How does it start?
With me talking.
But still, how does it start?
What do you mean?
Is it already started?
Yeah, the camera? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Hey everyone, John Meier here. I'm with my favorite niece, Kylie. Today, we're making her favorite dessert, fudge brownie mix. We just got back from the new Dollar General here in Warrenton, Dollar General North, to pick that up because we didn't have any in stock. I got the oven preheated already at 350, and we're gonna bake away for you. Right? So, first thing we do is put the box of brownie mix in the bowl. I'll let you cut that open, Kylie, for me and put it in. Did you want to say anything to the people today, Kylie? Can you tell them all hi? You're going to be shy for me now? Okay. You don't know. This isn't a silent film. You got to talk. Oof, I'll hold that so we don't spill any. That's the best stuff right there. Fudge brownie mix, Betty Crocker. It's our family favorite. Okay. So, do you want to read the instructions for me? What's the first thing it says on there?
Two eggs.
Oh, don't forget the oil.
Oh.
Half a cup of vegetable oil. Looks good. And then what was the next ingredient?
2 eggs.
2 eggs. Have you ever cracked an egg?
Yes.
You have? Oh. Okay. Only thing is we can't. You do one and I do one?
You do one.
What?
I'm not good at it.
Well, do you put shells in there?
No.
You just gotta keep the shells out, so.
I don't know how to do
You just have to crack it. I always like to crack my egg on something hard first and then open up and put it in there.
it. I want you to do both.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay. So, sometimes I crack it on the side of the bowl. Oh, that's our oven. Our oven is already set for 350 and it's now preheated and waiting for us, so that's good. So I always like to crack the egg on something hard. Sometimes I use the side of the bowl, sometimes I use, always need, or the counter stuff. So you need something hard to crack your egg on to get it open and good, right? What do you recommend?
The side of the bowl.
Okay, we'll try this one on the side. That's an easy cracker too. That one wasn't bad to crack. Pop that open. And how many eggs do we need?
2.
Okay. Egg in there. Got that second egg. Okay. Let's see. Did we stir away? Got that second egg. Okay. Let's see. Then we stir away. What's wrong? We got that second egg. Now it says stir brownie mix until well blended. Do you like to use the wooden spoon? What's the matter? You like to use a wooden spoon or the spatula? Which one do you prefer? Okay, stir away. We'll put these eggs away. We don't need them in. I'll hold the bowl and you can stir. So what are your thoughts on nuts in brownies, Kylie? You like nuts?
Yeah.
Should we put some pecan pieces in there?
No.
Oh, why not?
Good.
The pan we're using today is from the kitchen of Martha Mikulek, which is Kai Kai's great-grandma. We got this pan out of her estate sale, and we love to use this pan to make our brownies. Always thinks of us. You want to spread it on there? You're really good at this. You must help your mom a lot with the cooking. Or do you do most of the cooking at home yourself?
I do.
You do most of it yourself?
I help it.
Oh. Who cooks more in your house, your mom or your dad? Your dad does? Who's the better cook, you think, your mom or your dad?
Dad?
Dad. Does your mom really do anything around the house?
She does our laundry, she cleans, she sometimes cleans the bathrooms. She does a lot of stuff around the house.
Oh, that's good.
And sometimes I fold some laundry, that's fine.
You fold clothes too? Wow. Spread it out and lick away. Get it nice and flat, right? Get the air bubbles out. Oven feels good at 350. And if you guys want Kylie's best brownie mix, make sure you get the Betty Crocker Fudge Brownies. Recipes right on the back. Follow to the T. And thanks for watching us make brownies today. Bye.